My name is Jane Christyson. I'm the CEO of Girl Scouts of Northeast Ohio. We have 19,000 girls in our program, and they're supported by 8,000 caring adults. And this is the Jane Norton Dream Lab in Sheffield Village. It's 4,000 square feet that really highlights the 4 pillars of Girl Scouts. And that is the outdoors, STEM, entrepreneurship, and life skills. One of the featured activities we have here at the Dream Lab is this interactive system, which is called iDrawAlive. It's a great opportunity to insert your own art into a technical piece of equipment. So we have 10 different worlds, and the one that happens to be up now is a river scene, an aquatic scene. And anybody who's working with this program can pick one of the pictures to draw and color the way that they want to, put their name on it, and then it goes right into this scanner. And then you'll see up on the iDrawAlive, the bubbles start up, and there's my fish. This is an Indi car. This is a great opportunity to teach kids about coding. Doesn't require any reading, and they really try to figure out when they're interacting with the car and the colors, each of the colors tells the car to do something else, just like a code does. So that's the opportunity to learn about coding. So this is a 3D pen. And this is an introduction to 3D printing. We have 3D printers here too, but this is what we usually start them with. And the reason we do that is because this is basically just a handheld and a non-automated way to do 3D printing. When you press this button, you can see that you get a little stream of plastic, which you can make into any kind of shape. It could be flat, it could be 3D, and it could be a structure, house. There's a little initial pin and some flowers and some other things. And so once you get the hang of these particular pens, you can then make all kinds of shapes and use different colors of filaments. Right. The reason 3D printers are important to introduce young people to, particularly young girls, is a lot of manufacturing now is done as additive manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing takes a block of something and then you carve away whatever you don't need. In additive manufacturing, you start with a design, you send it to this machine, and this machine actually creates the object that you need. You can see some of the examples up here. We also have these are called Dobots, and we can create basically a manufacturing line or an assembly line that we can use with the students that are in our programs, where they can pick up different boxes and we can simulate what it would look like on an assembly line where you're picking up things and you're moving them to other parts of the factory. It's a programming opportunity on an iPad. You send the instructions, very much like you do with coding. You tell the crane to do a series of activities, and then it does them in the sequence that you want. This is our outdoor area, complete with a faux fire pit, and you can see over there we actually have marshmallows and sticks for you can have a pretend camp out. On the wall is our freedom climber. This is a rotating rock wall. Every time the person who's using it makes this spin in an entire circle, it's like climbing 30 feet. This is, we have a tent area here with a lot of little woodland creatures in there. So this is our custom knot wall. We have 12 of some of the most useful knots that you can use in the outdoors or around the house. And this is a great opportunity to come up and try your skills at knot tying, maybe learn a new knot. There's a lot of ropes here. We have a few books if you need other reference for it, but it's a great way to practice an outdoor skill. This is our video cast and podcast room. It introduces girls, to social media posts, which they love and want to do anyway. So we get a lot of equipment in here where they can try their luck at that. The soundboard has sound effects on it. So they can personalize their message and talk about what they've done at the Dream Lab. So come visit us here at the Dream Lab in Sheffield Village, Ohio. If you want more information on how to join, how to volunteer, or more information about the Dream Lab and the programs, including our day camps this summer, go to GSNEO.org.